Hello, this is David. Our company is RGBShare. We take part in the InfoComm 2018 in Las Vegas. Welcome to Las Vegas. So now we introduce two products of our company. The first product is our news rental cabinet 500 mm by 500 mm. This is our private move cabinet. Our other factory do not have. So it have easy lock for assemble here. Easy assemble and easy disassemble. And have LCD on the back, can show the working state like working temperature, working humidity, working hours. And it's very easy to take this cabinet because have some good handles. Also very likely it's only 8 kg. And this is our another private move cabinet. It's for small pitch. From P1 to P2 we use this kind of cabinet. It's 600 mm by 337.5 mm. For this kind of cabinet, also can do full front maintain. And you can see it have the LCD on the back, can showing the working state like working hours, working temperature, working humidity. And for this lamp, have the red lamp is for power, green lamp is for signal. Also the design is very good. And if you want to know more information, please log on our website www.lianjimled.com.